Okay, good evening to everybody. My name is Nagur Miravali. Welcome to Ganithalay. In this video, we are going to discuss about the circles topic. Okay, in before video, I had discussed how to find the equation of a circle when the center and radius will be given. Now, we are going to find the equation of a circle in general form. That means an equation of what is the equation of the circle in general form. So, if the general form will be given, then what we have to find? Okay, by using that we can find out the center and radius of the circle. Next, in the same process, the equation of a standard form of a circle. So, the first point is general form of the circle, second point is standard form of the circle. In both of them, we have to find the center and radius. After that, what are the condition for a second degree equation represents the circle? Okay, so in this one the equation will be given, that is a second degree equation of two variables. Now what are the condition that equation will represents the equation of the circle? We can see that. Okay, after that also discussing about the 2 marks questions of Board of Intermediate of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Okay, let's start the topic. Okay, now we are going to discuss about the equation of a circle in general form. Okay, in before class we had find when the center and radius will be given the equation of the circle. If you observe in that answer, you have the terms in the equation of the circle. You obtain x square term, y square term, x term, y term, constant, and also observe that every answer the x square coefficient must be equal to 1. In the before problem we had discussed it, their answer should contains x square coefficient and y square coefficient are equal to 1 or other than any number, but both coefficients should be equal. So that is the our major concept. And in all answer does not contains x into y term. Okay, we have seen that the x into y term does not contain in the equation of the circle. Okay, so they are the major concept. That means we can write here the general form of the equation of a circle is, this is the most important one. So if you take an equation of a circle, you can write the equation of the circle as this one, the equation of a circle in general form. The first one, the equation of a circle in general form. General form means you have to remember, in general form the equation contains x square term and y square term, x term, y term, and finally constant that can be taken as c. Okay, in this one the x square coefficient and y square coefficient must be equal to 1. Next one, here the x coefficient can be considered as 2z, y coefficient can be considered as 2f. Now constant can be taken as 0. So look at here, this is called the equation of a circle in general form. Okay, note this equation of the circle in general form is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. If an equation will be given, you can compare every circle equation to this equation. That means you should make the x square coefficient and y square coefficient is 1. That is the first one. If equation will be known, then what we have to find here? Here center, we can find the center. Next one, what can we have to find? Next, radius. So how to find the center and radius? Okay, here we are going to find the center by using the general form of the equation of the circle. Look at here. So in general form of the equation of the circle, first you should make to x square coefficient and y square coefficient will be 1. Okay, that is the first condition. Okay, after making x square coefficient, y square coefficient will be 1, you can find the center. how to find the center, I will explain you. So look at here in this equation, what is the x coefficient will be there here? 2g. 2g is the x coefficient. And what will be the y coefficient? 2f. Okay, you can dividing the x coefficient and y coefficients by 2. That means we can take the half of x coefficient, half of y coefficient. How much you will get? gf. Okay, what you will get? gf. So x coefficient can be written as x coordinate, y coefficient will be written as y coordinate. Okay, after that you can change the signs here. Okay, so in the equation the x coefficient will be plus, y coefficient will be plus, you can write here negative answers. So here once again I have told you, the center coordinates will be obtained by making half of x coefficient, that can be x coordinate, half of y coefficient can be y coordinate, and both can be changed the signs. Okay, that is the center. So simply you can get the center. Next, one more thing, next we can find out the radius. So for finding the radius, you can take square root. After taking square root, you can add the square of the coordinates of center. Okay, so what are the square of coordinates of center? Here the coordinates are minus g and minus f. Now square of center coordinates means minus g whole square, you will get plus g square, and f square minus f square, f square. After adding them, you can subtract the constant term here. What is the constant term? C. So you can subtract the constant term, you will get the radius. So this is the most important concept of the general form of the equation of the circle. When the when equation of a circle will be given, we can find the center and radius of the circle. Okay, remember that this is the equation of a circle in general form, and the center and radius is there. Okay, in before class we have find when center and radius will be given, equation of the circle we find. Now in this class the equation of a circle will be given, we can find center and radius. Okay, I had explained you how to find the center and radius when the equation of the circle will be given. Okay, let's see the problems on this one. Okay, look at here, this is the most important problem for 2 marks questions of Board of Intermediate of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. So first you have to write what is the given here. So here the circle will be given here, that means the equation of the circle will be given. First you need to take that one, given that the equation of a circle, given that the equation of a circle is, so x square plus y square plus 6x plus 8y minus 96 is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle will be given. Then what we have to find here? Center and radius we have to find. To find the center and radius of the circle, so there are two procedures are there. That means already I have told you the problems by using the formulas. Okay, the center formula is minus g comma minus f. So you can write the formula first of all. Center C is equal to minus g minus f. This is the formula. So first you have to observe that the equation is it in general form or not. So how to say that this is in the general form? When the x square coefficient and y square coefficient must be equal to 1, then we say that this is equation is in general form. Okay, after that we can find the center and radius. So for the center formula is minus g and minus f. Okay, you can write directly here. What will be the x coefficient here? 6. Half of 6 means you can dividing 6 by 2, you will get 3. Next one, what is the y coefficient here? 8 will be there. Now half of 8 means 4, that means dividing by 2. Okay, you will get 3 4 and change the signs here. So in this equation the x coefficient, y coefficient will be positives, you will write here negatives. So this is the center. Okay, next what you have to find here? Radius. So for finding radius, the formula will be there. that is g square plus f square minus c is the formula. You can write simply here the coordinates of centers are -3 and -4. Now squaring them you will get 3 square plus 4 square. Next minus of what will be the constant term in the circle? 96 minus 96. So this, if you simplifying this one, you will get the radius. That means square root of 9 plus 16 plus 96. If you simplifying this one, you will get here the radius r is equal to square root of 19 plus 16 25. 25 plus 196 is equal to 121. So the square root of 121 you will get the 11. That is, this is the radius. So finally you have to write the center C is equal to what is that? -3 -4, and radius r is equal to how much? 11 units. Okay, this is the problem. Okay, next we will go for one more problem. Okay, look at here, this is the problem. So what we have to find out, what is given here. So here given the equation of the circle will be given. Now what we have to find? The center and radius. Okay, let's take the given equation of the circle. Given equation of a circle is square root of 1 plus m square into x square plus y square minus 2cx minus 2mcy is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle. Okay, now what we have to find here? Center and radius. Okay, I have told you to find the center and radius of the circle, we have to check whether the given equation of a circle is in general form or not. Okay, look at here, is it in general form or not? Yes, this is not in general form, because of, if the equation is said to be in the general form, the x square coefficient and y square coefficient must be equal to 1. But there will be, what is the coefficient of x square plus y square? Here the x square coefficient, x square plus y square coefficient will be the square root of 1 plus m square. Now we can removing square root of 1 plus m square. So for that we can dividing this equation on both sides by square root of 1 plus m square. Okay, so we can write dividing by square root of 1 plus m square on both sides. Okay, what you will get? Now we can dividing by 1 square root of 1 plus m square, the first term you will get, it will be cancelled. Next minus 2c by square root of 1 plus m square you will get into x. Next one 2mc by square root of 1 plus m square into y is equal to 0. This is you will get. Okay, so now observe that this is in the general form. That means x square plus y square and x term and y term, here the constant will be 0. So there is no constant here, so that's why you can take that is as 0. Now if it is in general form, then we can find the center. So how to find the center? Center C is equal to, remember that, minus G minus F, that is the formula, but there is no useful for minus G and minus F, you can write directly here. So by taking x coefficient, what will be the x coefficient here? Look at here, x coefficient is minus 2c by square root of 1 plus m square. So half of this one, half means by 2. So 2 cancel, how much you will get? Minus c by root of 1 plus m square. That is your x coordinates of the center. You can change the sign here also. You can get here, what is that? C by square root of 1 plus m square. Okay, that means you can write here simply c by square root of 1 plus m square is the center. Next one, what will be the y coordinate of the center? We can dividing the y coefficient of the equation of the circle by 2, you will get mc by square root of 1 plus m square. the same process you can dividing y coefficient also and change the sign. So you will get the, this is the center. Now we are going to find the radius. What will be the radius formula? I have told you, g square plus f square minus c. This is the radius. Okay, for substituting here, you can take the x coordinates and y coordinates of the center. You can write here c by square root of 1 plus m square whole square, g square means that one, plus f square means y coordinate, 1 mc by square root of 1 plus m square and taking whole square. Next one, minus c means the constant value in the general form of the equation of a circle. So what is this constant here? There is no constant, that's why you can consider it as 0. Now expand the square root and square terms. You can get c square by square root of 1 plus m square whole square means you can cancelize the square root and square. Now plus m square c square by 1 plus m square in numerator. In the denominator of the two terms, it having the same denominator, so you can take 1 plus m square. Now c square plus m square c square. Now by taking in numerator common c square here, you will get 1 plus m square by 1 plus m square. Okay, so now cancellizing 1 plus m square, 1 plus m square, you will get root c square, that means c. Okay, where radius r is equal to c units. Okay, so they are the center and radius of the circle. So finally you can write here, therefore the center, what you will get, center c by root of 1 plus m square, next mc by root of 1 plus m square, and radius r is equal to c units. Okay, this is the question. Okay, have a look on this problem. Okay, let's go to the another problem. Okay, look at here, one problem will be given. We can write, we can find the center and radius of the circle. Okay, read the given problem carefully here. So what will be given? You have seen in this problem the equation of the circle will be given. So write down, given that the equation of a circle, equation of a circle is 3x square plus 3y square plus 6x minus 12y minus 1 is equal to 0. Now what we have to find? Center and radius of the circle. So to find the center and radius of the circle, first we have to check whether the given equation is in general form or not. So here x square coefficient and y square coefficient are not equal to 1. So that means we have to make the x square coefficient and y square coefficients equal to 1. So for that we can dividing by 3 on both sides. Okay, dividing by 3 on both sides. Now we will get, so 3x square by 3 plus 3y square by 3 plus 6x by 3 minus 12y by 3 minus 1 by 3. You can get here x square plus y square plus 3 2s are, next 3 4s are, next you have 1 by 3 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of the circle, let it equation 1. So now this equation is said to be in the general form. So now it is in the general form. If it is in the general form, we can find center. So center c is equal to, what is the formula we have written? Minus g minus f. For that, okay, how to find the equation of center? So by taking x coefficient and y coefficient, they can be divided by 2. After we can change the sign. So what is the x coefficient here? 2 is there. So 2 is the x coefficient. We can dividing by 2, it will get 1. So already here plus is there. We can write minus 1. Next for y coordinates, by taking y coefficient, what will be the y coefficient here? Minus 4. You can dividing by 2, it will get minus 1 minus 2, you can change the sign, so you will get plus 2. So this is the center coordinates. Now we are going to find the radius. Okay, to find the radius, first you have to take the formula g square plus f square minus c. You can substitute here carefully here. So g means the first coordinate of the center and second coordinate of the center, they can be taken and squaring. So minus 1, you can take minus 1 or plus 1 also. So I have taken 1. Next 2 square, center coordinates can be taken here. Next constant means what will be the constant in this equation? Minus 1 by 3, you can take minus 1 by 3 here, minus 1 by 3. So this is the radius. Now that is 1 plus 4, minus of minus plus 4, 1 by 3. You can take LCM here, you will get 3. So finally 1 plus 4, 5, 5 3s are 15 plus 1. So that is square root of 16 by 3, that is 4 by root 3 units. So this is the radius. So finally you can write the center C is equal to minus 1 comma 2 and radius R is equal to 4 by root 3. So this is the problem. Okay, by using this model I want to give you some more problems. Okay, look at here. Okay, take them these problems as homework. So for all these problems you have to find the center and radius. Remember here, so first you have to observe that whether the given equation all are in general form or not. Okay, observe that in general form means the x square coefficient and y square coefficient should be equal to 1, should be equal to 1. That is the major thing you have to remember while to find the center and radius. Okay, so let us take this let's take the problems as homework. Okay, coming to the next point, the standard form of a circle. So here the standard form of the circle means, there is nothing but, already we have seen the general form of a equation of a circle. The equation of a circle in general form is, already we know that general form equation. What is the general form of a equation of a circle? General form is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the equation of a circle in general form. We know that how to find the center and radius. So the center and radius will be obtained by x coefficient and y coefficient. Okay, if in a equation there is no x coefficient and y coefficient, that means x square plus y square, there is no x coefficient and y coefficient, that means the coefficient will be zeros. Okay, so now we can take the x coefficient and y coefficient will be zeros, you will get the equation is 0. Okay, in this one the concept is, when x coefficient and y coefficient will be 0, then how can you take here center coordinates will be 0 comma 0. So center will be 0 and radius will be, by using this one you can find out the g square plus f square minus c. So here, so that means the standard form means you have to remember that the equation of a general form does not contain the x coefficient and y coefficient. In simply, when the equation having the center at origin, that form is called the standard form of the equation of a circle. Okay, remember that one. The standard form of the equation of a circle means the equation of the circle having the center at origin, that is called the standard form of the equation of a circle. Okay, that means you have to remember an equation, sorry, a circle having the center at origin, that means 0 comma 0, then the equation of circle is said to be in standard form. So now we have to write the standard form of equation of circle. Okay, therefore the equation of a circle in standard form is, this can be taken as x square plus y square. When the center coordinates are 0 0, there is no x coefficient and y coefficient, so there is no x term and y term here also, is equal to some constant. So the constant can be taken as here r square. So already we have seen here in before video, when the center and radius will be given, suppose h comma k is the center and r is the radius, then we can say that equation of a circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. In the same way, here the center is h comma k. Now in standard form the center is 0 comma 0, that means h is 0, k is 0. We can substitute h value, k value in this equation as 0 0. You will get the standard form of the equation of the circle. This is about the standard form of the equation of the circle, and nothing to explain about that. Okay, if you seen any equation is of the form, x square plus y square is equal to r square, you can write here the center is, what is that, center c is equal to 0 comma 0 and radius r is equal to, simply here what is the constant on the right hand side, so that is the radius, simple. Okay, so that is about the standard form. Okay, we can remember that. Okay, next. Okay, this is about the standard form of the equation of the circle. Next we are going to discuss about the conditions for the equation of the second degree equation will represent the equation of a circle. Okay, look at here. In before class we have find the equation of the circle when center and radius will be given. That is the first class. In this video, on the starting, we have to discuss about the general form of the equation of the circle when the center and radius will be to find the center and radius of the circle when the general form of the equation will be given. Now in this class, in this section, we had discussed about the equation of a circle. Okay, an equation will be given that will represents the circle equation or not, we have to check that one. Okay, so the conditions that an equation represents a circle. So already we know that an equation of a circle is in two variables and having the degree 2. So that means degree 2 means, already we learnt in the lower classes, the second degree equation in two variables. About that, the complete second degree equation is the having the terms, the complete second degree equation having the terms, second degree means x square y square, two variables means x square y square. So while we have to write the complete second degree equation, so x square term and xy term, y square term, so this is the second degree all terms. If we have to complete this equation, remaining terms, first degree terms, x, y, after completing the first degree term, you can write 0 degree term, that means constant. So a complete second degree equation containing x square term, xy term, y square term, x term, y term, constant. Now we can arrange this general form is, we can take the x square coefficient is a, y square coefficient is b, constant is c. After that there will be some terms, x into y, x term, y term. We have to take the 2h, next here 2z, here 2f. Okay, so this equation is the complete second degree equation in two variables. Okay, This is called the, remember this equation, already we have learnt about this equation in the first year concept, pair of straight lines. Okay, there also we can use here. This is the complete second degree equation. In the topic we can if it is the condition that this equation represents the pair of equation, there will be some conditions. In this video we have to discuss about the, this equation represents the circle equation. What are the condition of this equation to represent a circle? Okay, so we know that already for a circle equation there is no x into y term. That means if it represents the equation of a circle, we can remove the xy term. That means removing xy term means we have to eliminate the xy term. For eliminating xy term we have to take xy coefficient will be 0. So that is the constant, that is the first condition. Next, one more thing is, in general form always we have seen the x square coefficient and y square coefficients must be 1. Okay, some problems will not given x square coefficient and y square coefficients are equal. That means equal to 1. That means the x square coefficient, y square coefficient will be other than 1, but both x square coefficient and y square coefficient will be equal in every equation of the circle. Already we have seen them in the before classes. Okay, so that means the second coefficient, second condition is x square coefficient is equal to y square coefficient is the second property. Okay, so now let's take the, these two conditions are the conditions that an equation in two variables will represent the equation of a circle. Okay, let's write these conditions. Okay, let us see the conditions. So they are the conditions. Okay, what are the conditions for an equation represents a circle? X square coefficient is equal to y square coefficient, or this can also be written as a is equal to b. Second condition is coefficient of x y should be equal to 0, that is h is equal to 0. Let's have a problems on this model. Okay, look at here, this is the most important problem for 2 marks questions. Okay, read the given problem carefully. Okay, look at here in the given problem, what will be given here? Here you have seen an equation. What is that? So and so equation will be there. What he say that this equation represents a circle. Okay, so given one of the equation that will represent the equation of the circle. First we have to take that equation. Given equation is 2x square plus ay square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the given equation. Okay, so what he say that here, let it be equation 1. So in the given problem, this equation represents a circle, that will be given here. Now we have to write given that 1 represents a circle. Okay, the equation will represent the equation of a circle. Then what are the conditions? Already we have written before the problem. The condition for an equation represents the equation of a circle is, the first one is x square coefficient is equal to y square coefficient. The second condition is xy coefficient is equal to 0. In this one, the x square coefficient, what will be the x square coefficient in this equation? Here a is the x square coefficient. So sorry, here a is 2 is the x square coefficient. So 2 is equal to, what will be the y square coefficient? Here a. So therefore a is equal to 2. So what we have to find here? A value we can find. So here we get the a value here. So after that what we have to find? And find the radius of the circle. For this we have to take, to find the radius of the circle, also we can substitute a value in this equation. We will get, substitute a is equal to 2, in equation 1, what you will get here? 2x square plus 2y square minus 3x plus 2y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation. Okay, to find the center and radius, we need to convert this equation into general form. That means this type of problem will be done in the before method. In the same process, to find the circle and radius, we can dividing by 2 here. Here x square coefficient, y square coefficient will be 2 is there. So that's why we have to divide by 2. So dividing by 2 on both sides, we will get, I have to wrote directly here, x square plus y square minus 3 by 2x plus y minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. This is the equation. Now to find the center, how to find the center? You can take the negative of half of x coefficient and negative of half of y coefficient. So here x coefficient is already minus is there, you can write plus. So here 3 by 2 is there. Now by 2 again you can take. So 3 by 4 is the x coordinates of the center. Now 3 by 4. Next here y coefficient is positive, you can take negative here. Y coefficient 1 by 2. This is the center coordinates. So formula is minus g comma minus f. Now what we should find out here? Radius. To find the radius, the formula is square root of g square plus f square minus c. Now you can write g square means here g, you have to write only the formula. The substitution will be obtained from the center coordinates, that is 3 by 4 whole square plus 1 by 2. You may write minus 1 by 2 or plus 1 by 2 because of it containing square. So after that minus c means here the constant in the equation. What will be there? Minus 1 by 2. So you can write here minus 1 by 2, you will get this one. So that is finally, so 9 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2, and doing here LCM, you will get here the answer is, that is square root of, so taking LCM 4 here, so 9 plus 1 plus 2 ones are 2, so that is finally square root of 12 by 4. So 12 by 4 means you can write this one as 4 ones 4 threes, you will get the answer root 3. Therefore the radius r is equal to root 3. So that is we have to find. And also what will be, what we have to find in the given problem? A answer will be there. So therefore final step, a is equal to 2 and radius r is equal to 3. They are the answers of this problem. This is the most important problem on the board of intermediate of examination in the 2 marks questions. Okay, have a look on this problem. Okay, let us see the one more problem. Okay, look at here, this is the given problem. Read the carefully given problem here. Look at here, in this problem, x square plus y square plus ax plus by minus 12 is equal to 0 is a circle with center. Okay, that means here given one of the equation here, you have to write what is that equation. Given equation of a circle, circle is 12 is equal to 0. This is the equation 1. So and also what will be given here? With the center 2 comma 3. So 2 comma 3 is the center, that one also given. So given that center, center C is equal to 2 comma 3. But when the equation will be given, we have to find the center by using the equation. Whether check whether this is in the general form or not. So by the 1, by the equation of 1, 1, we could find out the center. To find the center, we have to check whether the equation 1 will be in general form or not. Yes, this is in the general form. So by our process, how to find the center? C is equal to half of the negative of the x coefficient. That means minus a by 2, half of the y coefficient. Y coefficient is b, half means by 2 and negative. So this is the center. But here given that there is only one equation for the circle. But in the given problem already center will be given. But our procedure we have also one more center, but an equation having only one center, that means we can equating these two centers here, you will get the values of a and b. So therefore here there will be only one equation of the circle, therefore we can equating the centers here, that is minus a by 2 minus b by 2. This is a center and 2 comma 3 is also given center. An equation will having only one center, that's why we can equating. So when we can equate the 2 points, the corresponding coordinates can be equal. So a by 2 is equal to 2, minus b by 2 is equal to 3. So for that, minus a is equal to 4, minus b is equal to 6. Now finally a is equal to minus 4, b is equal to minus 6. This is, they are the values asked in the problem. Okay, a value, b value has obtained. Next, after that, find ab and radius. So for that, to find the equation radius, therefore for the radius, what you have to do? Radius formula is square root of g square plus f square minus c. This can be written here directly, but you can substitute the center. What is the center? Is given 2 comma 3. You can take directly 2 square plus 3 square. Next, minus constant means c, means here in the given equation the constant is minus 12. That's you have to take in here minus 12. So simply you can write this one. So no need to write the equation of the circle once again. By substituting a value, b value, just he asked a value, b value and radius. So first we have find radius, a value and b value. After that directly we can find the radius by using the formula. So the substitution will be simplified by here. Already center will be given. I have told you, whenever you are going to find the radius, first you should take the center coordinates. So 2 square plus 3 square. After that constant. First remember that the circle must be in the general form. Okay. So that is now square root of 4 plus 9 plus 12. That is equal to 4 plus 9, 13, 13 plus 12, 25. So we can simplifying this one 5 units. Okay. So this is the radius. So finally he asked a value, b value and radius. Therefore radius is equal to 5. This is the our required answer. Okay. This question is very important for the Board of Intermediate of Education of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. Okay. Okay. Look at here, one more problem. One more problem will be given here. Find the values of AB if some equation will be given represents a circle. Here one of the equation will be given. So he say that this is the circle equation. First you have to write that given equation is ax square plus bxy plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is the equation given. Okay, let it be equation 1. Now what we have to find here? The values of a, b and also radius, center. So first we are going to find the a value and b value. So for that, what he given? The equation will be given, it represents a circle. Already I have told you, given that 1 represents a circle. So what are the conditions for an equation represents a circle? So x square coefficient and y square coefficients are equal. Next xy coefficient will be 0. So they are the conditions we have to use here. Okay, circle. Therefore we have to write the first one, x square coefficients is equal to y square coefficient. That is the first one. So by using this first condition, what is the x square coefficient? A. What is the y square coefficient? 3. So we get the a value. So what is the second condition? Xy coefficient is equal to 0. What is the xy coefficient here? B. So b is equal to 0. That means we should get here, we got here a value and b value. So this is the a value and this is the b value. So a value is over and b value is over. Next, what is that? We have to find, also find the radius and center of the circle. That means center and radius we are going to find out. For finding them, you can substitute the a value, b value in the equation 1 first of all. Okay, now put a b in 1. You will get here a is 3x square plus 0 into xy plus by square, that is this one, minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Now 3x square plus 3y square minus 5x plus 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. Let it be equation number 2. Now we are going to find the equation center and radius of the circle. To find the center and radius of the circle, whether the equation 2 is in general form or not. Okay, this is not in a general form. For converting general form, we have to dividing by 3. So here dividing by 3 on both sides, you will get, I can write directly, y square minus 5 by 3x plus 2 by 3y minus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation which is in general form. So when the equation is in general form, we can find the center. So the formula for center is minus g minus f. Now this can be obtained by taking x coefficient and y coefficient and dividing by 2. So now we will get 5 by 6 comma minus 1 by 3. How do you get the minus 1 by 3? Here y coefficient is 2 by 3. Now we can dividing by 2 means you can write the 2 in denominator. So after that you can cancellizing, you will get the 1 by 3. So y coefficient will be the positive value, you can take negative answer. So that is the explanation to get the center. Okay, after getting the center, we have to write the radius. Okay, to find the radius here, therefore for radius, so we have a formula that is square root of g square plus f square minus c. Now you can substitute here directly. So here x coefficient, y coefficient, they can be taken whole square. Now 5 by 6 whole square plus 1 by 3 whole square. So after that constant means here the constant is minus 3. You can take that one. So already minus is there, minus of minus 3. So now simplifying, you will get the answer square root of 25 by 36 plus 1 by 9 plus 3. Now simplifying this one, you will get here that is equal to square root of, the LCM is 36, 25 plus 9 fours are, next plus 36 3s are, 3 6 are 18, 3 3s are 9, 108. Okay, look at here, some mistake will be done here. Here c means here we have taken minus 1 because of, while you have to find the radius, you can consider the general form of the circle. This is in the general form. So now you have to write c is equal to minus 1 here. So minus of minus 1 So now you can simplifying this one, you will get 25 by 36 plus 1 by 9 plus 1. Now taking LCM, 36 on the square root. Now 25 plus 4 plus 36. Now adding them, finally you will get root of 65 by 36. Okay, now 65 by 36, that means we can separating root 65 by 36 means 6. So this is the radius units. Okay, this is the answer. So look at here in the problem. First we have to find the a value, b value. For that we can use the representation of the circle. After that, finding a value, b value, if you substitute in the given equation, after that you will convert the equation into general form, then find the center and radius. So this is the problem. Okay, okay, look at here. This is the given problem. Read the problem carefully. This is also important for 2 marks question. So here what will be given here? One equation will be given. If this equation is a circle, so this is the equation of a circle. So first you should write here, given that the equation of a circle. Of a circle is, what is that? X square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus a is equal to 0. So this is the equation. And what will be given here? Radius will be given. What we have to find out? The value of a. So when the circle equation will be given, we have to find the center and radius. Okay, so center. Why should we find the center and radius? Here given radius already, so for that we can find the radius by using the procedure. After that, finding the radius, that radius will be equal to the given radius. How much? 4. So hence we can find the value of a. So the center, how to find the center? Center, c is equal to half of the x coefficient, that is minus 2, you can change the sign. Half of the y coefficient, that is 3, you can change the sign, minus 3. This will get the minus g comma minus f. Now the radius r is equal to, the formula will be g square plus f square minus c. Now we can directly substitute the center coordinates, 2 square plus 3 square minus c means constant. What will be given in this problem? Plus a. So that is the problem. Okay, a. Now this is the radius. Now r is equal to square root of 4 plus 9 minus a. Now finally, therefore r is equal to square root of 13 minus a. This is our required radius. Okay, our radius. So but given that the radius r is equal to how much? Here given radius is 4. So we get radius root 13 minus a. Now equating here, root of 13 minus a is equal to 4. Now doing squaring on both sides, 13 minus a is equal to 4 square, that is 13 minus a is equal to 16. Now bring out a from the right side, you will get the plus a. Okay, now here bring out a value. Now we will get 13 minus 16 is equal to a. Now finally minus 3 is equal to a. The answer is a is equal to minus 3. This is the value of a. Okay, this is the our required answer. Okay, look at here, there will be 3 problems I have given, so do them properly. So first I have explained you briefly here. So in the first problem there will be one equation will be given and center will be given. So that means you could find out the center for this one and equating to this one, you will get the g value and f value. Okay, we have to find gf. So over After that, radius of the circle we have to find. To find the radius of the circle, so substitute these g value, f value in this one, you will find the center and radius as same as the before problem. Okay, that is the concept of this problem. And also second problem also in the same process. What is the second problem here? This is the same model of this problem. Okay, next coming to the third problem here. In third problem, if one of the equation of the circle is given and radius will be given, so first of all you need to find the center and radius of this equation, and the obtained radius will be equal to this 6. You will get the value of c. Okay, this is about the problems on this class. Okay.